About as ma'am is doing amazing for the business person, and we are now felicitating all the women who are creating wonders in the businesses. So the next category is all about Wonder Womans. So please have a look at the AV for the same. Thank you. Thank you all. It's now time to felicitate the Wonder Woman. To do the honors, I would request Mr. Prashant from Tele Solutions to please join us on the stage. I would also request Darshana Thakur ma'am, the National President, Entrepreneurship Development Council, WICCI, also one of the jury members of the event. Thank you for joining, ma'am. Thank you, sir. The Wonder Woman category, and the first winner of the category is Harsha Vandan Gandhi from Pure Temptation, Ahmedabad. Please have a huge round of applause for Harsha Gandhi. Congratulations, ma'am, from a humble government kitchen to a beloved national brand. Pure Temptation has been delighting customers with the artisanal sweets since 2008. By strengthening its supplier ties, launching creative marketing campaign, they stand out a spot in India's premier confectionery space. Please have a huge round of applause for the winner. Congratulations to you. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations once again. The next winner of the category is Komal Makkar from Amber Confectionery Private Limited, Indore. कोमल जी के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए. कोमल जी या उनकी कोई टीम अवेलेबल हो from Amber Confectionery Private Limited, Indore. Okay. The next winner of the category is Krima Nayak from Sunroof Botanicals, Ahmedabad. Please have a huge round of applause for Krima ma'am, ladies and gentlemen. From a small cashew unit into a global healthful brand, Sunroof Botanicals is a story of unwavering grit and purpose-led growth. Congratulations to you. Please have a huge round of applause for Krima Nayak, Sunroof Botanicals, Ahmedabad. Thank you for joining, ma'am. Congratulations once again. The next winner of the category, Jagruti Shah from Roshni Technologies Private Limited, Ahmedabad. With over 4 decades of visionary leadership, Roshni Technologies is building future. The company bridges cutting-edge innovation with a social impact, empowering thousands through the EdTech engineering consultancy and grassroots STAM education. Congratulations to Jagruti Shah from Roshni Technologies Private Limited, Vadodara. Thank you, ma'am. Sir is also requested to join. Sir, please join us on the stage. Please a huge round of applause for Sir as well. The success of the woman is also dependent on the good family who supports them throughout the career. Congratulations, ma'am, again. The next winner of the category is Vani Mehta from Whiskey Consultancy, Ahmedabad. Whiskey Consultancy began with a vision to simplify ISO implementation for a small business, and it grew into a trusted partner for the global compliance and operation excellence. Congratulations to the Whiskey Consultancy, Ahmedabad. Vani Mehta, congratulations, ma'am. Thank you. The next winner of the category is Falguni Patel from Saisroni, Ahmedabad. From a local event styling initiative, Saisroni has evolved into a nationwide online fashion service that expertly pairs client with the stylish. Early challenges were met with the targeted training programs and interactive styling tools. And today, the Saisroni scalable platforms not only drives bookings and revenue, but also redefine personalized styling across India. Congratulations to you. I would request all the Wonder Woman winners of the category to please come towards the stage for the group picture. All of you can join with your families, with your teams. All the Wonder Woman winners of the category are requested to join us on the stage for the group photograph. Thank you. All of you are requested to please join us on the stage. Thank you for joining. Congratulations, all the winners. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, of course.
I would like to share one thing for all Wonder Womans. Vani Mehta, winner of Wonder Woman, is part of Vicky team with me. She is with me for last 3 to 4 years. She is doing excellent work in ISO consultation. It's the most male-dominated industry in consulting. So to work with the manufacturing company industry as ISO consultant is really commendable and challenging work. I'm a part of Vicky as a national president. Vicky is Women Entrepreneurship Development Council. Vicky is Women Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the only chamber of commerce for the women in India, and I am leading as a national president for Entrepreneurship Development Council. We have a few more than 100 women entrepreneurs as a part of Vicky team. the purpose of Wiki is to support other women to not to કે આપણે પગ ખેંચવાની વાત નથી પણ હાથ ખેંચીને એકબીજાને ઉપર લાવવાના છે ટુ કનેક્ટ કોલાબરેટ એન્ડ નેટવર્ક ઇઝ ધ પર્પઝ ઓફ વિકી કાઉન્સિલ સો જે પણ બહેનોને હુ એવર વોન્ટ્સ ટુ જોઈન ધીસ વિકી કાઉન્સિલ કેન કનેક્ટ વિથ मी or else વાણી. Thanks a lot. Vani, can you please stand up? Yes, yes. Vani is with me as a Gujarat representative. So anybody wants to join the Wiki Council, any woman from any part of India, if you have any connects in other part of India as well, you can join with us. Thanks a lot.